Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly lifting your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, drop your shoulders. Again, we take a deep breath in, lifting the shoulders. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. Slowly drop your head back, chin to ceiling. And now tuck your chin in towards your chest as you round your spine, maybe holding onto your knees to pull back a little bit more. Again, we look up at the ceiling, dropping our head back, and round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. One more time, let's drop our head back, shining our chest forward, and round your spine. And now you can relax. Let's place our hands in front of us. Take a big inhale, exhale, forward fold. Walk your hands forward, relaxing your upper body. And we take some deep breaths in and out through our nose. Walk your hands over to the right, maybe placing your left hand on top of your right, feeling a stretch in your left side. And now walk your hands over to the left. Walk your hands back to center and slowly roll up. Extend your left leg forward, keeping your right leg bent. Lift your arms up, taking a big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. And let's keep that left foot flexed. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. And you can keep walking your hands forward, just trying to get a little bit deeper in this stretch. Let's rise back up. And we are just going to bend our left knee, plant your left foot on the bed as you extend your right arm up and twist to the left, looking over your left shoulder. You can also reach your right fingertips towards the bed if you want to twist a little bit more. And we come back to center. Now this next stretch is going to be a hip stretch. If it doesn't feel good, you do not have to do it. We're going to place our right ankle on top of the left knee, and this is going to stretch your outer right hip, and you're going to scoot a little bit closer towards your left foot. Elongate your spine, keep that right foot flexed, and take some deep breaths. Make your way into your butterfly, bringing the soles of your feet together. Grab onto your ankles as you bounce your legs a few times. Use your elbows to press down on your legs for a deeper stretch. And now let's extend our right leg forward. Take a big inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. We come back up, bending that right leg. And you take a big inhale as you reach the left arm up. Exhale, twist to the right, hooking that left elbow on top of the knee. Remember, you have the option to reach your left fingertips towards the bed. And now let's go into our hip stretch. Remember, we are bringing that left ankle on top of the right knee this time, and you're going to scoot a little bit closer towards your right foot. And remember, if this feels uncomfortable or you are like, Ramoni, I can't do this, you never have to do it. All of these poses are just suggestions, never requirements. Let's come into our butterfly. Take an inhale as you lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold, walk the hands forward. We rise back up, straightening both legs in front of us. Again, take a big inhale, reaching up. Exhale, forward fold. Make your way into a cross-legged position, just like we started. And you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Lift your arms overhead, reaching up towards the ceiling. And let's bring our hands to heart center. Take one more deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.